In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft PowerPoint you have. Knowing your exact version helps with compatibility, troubleshooting, and making sure you're following the right instructions for your setup. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, whichever you prefer. If you have multiple Office apps, look for the orange icon with the P. Give it a moment to load to the main window or a blank presentation. Next, move to the top left corner of the PowerPoint window and click the File tab. It sits along the ribbon where you see Home, Insert, Design, and other tabs. If your window isn't maximized and you don't see it right away, try expanding the window or hovering near the top to reveal the ribbon. On some keyboards, you can also press Alt plus F to open this menu quickly. Once you're in the file view, look at the left-hand menu and scroll down until you see Account. Click that. This section is designed for managing your Office profile, licenses, and update settings, so it's the ideal place to confirm exactly which PowerPoint you're running. If your menu looks a little different, that's okay. Just make sure you're in the File area and look toward the bottom of the list for Account. On the right side of the Account page, find the Product Information area. This is where the details you need are shown at a glance. You'll see the version name, such as Microsoft 365, 2019, or 2021, along with the edition and the build number. The version name tells you whether you're on a subscription plan that updates frequently, like Microsoft 365, or a one-time purchase like 2019 or 2021. The edition and build number provide the precise release information, which is especially helpful if you're following a tutorial, contacting support, or checking feature availability. If you want to keep a record, consider taking a quick screenshot or jotting down the numbers. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully identified your Microsoft PowerPoint version using the built-in account page. This simple check can save you time and confusion when learning new features or collaborating with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.